Do your food coloring pages look a little flat and not as delicious as you want them to? Today, I'll show you how to make your fun food drawings pop with color. Coloring is relaxing. It's a wonderful way to unwind after a long day, letting your mind drift as you fill in the lines with vibrant hues. It's fun for all ages. Whether you're a child discovering the joy of colors or an adult rediscovering a childhood pastime, coloring brings people together. And with food-themed pages, it's a feast for the eyes. Imagine coloring juicy burgers, colorful ice cream sundaes, or delicious-looking pizzas. These pages can make your mouth water just by looking at them. But sometimes, our colored creations don't look as yummy as we want them to. It can be a bit frustrating when the colors don't blend perfectly or the shading isn't quite right. But remember, it's all part of the fun and learning process. Every attempt makes you better. Have you ever spent time coloring a delicious-looking cake only to find it looks a bit flat? It's a common problem. We start with so much excitement, but the end result lacks that wow factor. Don't worry, there are simple tricks to make your food coloring pop off the page. With a few easy techniques, even beginners can create vibrant and realistic-looking treats. Section 4. Coloring Techniques for Delicious Results. In this section, we will explore how to use colors to make your food not only look appetizing, but also visually stunning. The right coloring techniques can transform a simple dish into a masterpiece. First, choose bright and bold base colors. These colors will serve as the foundation of your dish, setting the tone and mood. Think of them as the canvas on which you will create your culinary art. Think sunshine yellow for a lemon tart. This vibrant color not only makes the tart look fresh and inviting, but also enhances the perception of its tangy flavor. The bright yellow glaze can make the dessert pop on any table setting, or ruby red for a juicy strawberry. The deep red color signifies ripeness and sweetness, making the strawberries look irresistible. This color can evoke feelings of warmth and indulgence. Next, add depth by layering darker shades. This technique adds dimension and realism to your food. By carefully applying darker colors in specific areas, you can create shadows and highlights that make the food look more three-dimensional. For example, use a darker brown in the crevices of a cookie to give it a realistic look. The contrast between the lighter and darker areas can make the cookie appear freshly baked and full of texture. Finally, don't forget the highlights. Highlights are essential for adding a touch of realism and making your food look more appealing. They can mimic the way light naturally interacts with the surface of the food. A touch of white or a lighter color on top will make your food shimmer and shine. This final step can make a significant difference, giving your dish a polished and professional look. Whether it's a glistening glaze on a cake or a shiny finish on a piece of fruit, highlights can elevate the overall presentation. Section 5. Show off your culinary masterpieces. In this section, we will explore the exciting world of culinary art and how you can transform your kitchen into a vibrant canvas. Experiment with different colors and pressures to find what you enjoy most. Whether you're adding a splash of color to your frosting or creating a rainbow of vegetables, the possibilities are endless. Share your vibrant creations with friends and family. Imagine the joy on their faces when they see your beautifully decorated dishes. It's not just about the taste, but also the visual appeal that makes your culinary masterpieces stand out. And most importantly, have fun. Cooking should be an enjoyable experience. Gather your loved ones, involve your kids, and make it a fun-filled activity. The kitchen is a place for creativity and joy. Start your coloring journey today. Don't be afraid to try new things and experiment with different techniques. Every great chef started as a beginner, and with practice, you'll create stunning dishes. Check out my new food-themed coloring book, Delicious Delights, available now on Amazon KDP. It's filled with inspiration and ideas to help you on your culinary journey. Happy coloring!